This is an exciting match between the both team of Rosario. Ang alamat ng Rosario up against the defending champion that brings to us to the regionals or the nationals of the BPBL. The GMASC 16 under division. Both team are a strong team, especially the GMASC battalions. That's what we can see here on the live. That GMASC always have a supporters whenever they have any games under this BPBL Cavite leg. This is start of the first quarter. Let's see what kind of plays does the GMASC and Alamat ng Rosario has on this ball game. Possession goes into the GMASC. What a great ball movement para sa Alamat ng Rosario, attacking every gap on this game. Here's Salamero, extra pass on an open teammate off the glass. Leather on the top of the key, Abiera setting things up. Shot fake, attacks on the gap with a counter and one finish. And the foul has been called for player number 7. That is Alano first personal team foul. Warning for penalty at the line. Shooting team player number 16 of the GMASC. That is Alta shooting bonus. And that forces an outlet now. Look at that effort. Great effort here para kay Binyala. Down low from the baseline with a stop and pump. ECJ para kay Bayanay. But here's number 22. Picks up the rebound. An outlet pass. Salamero getting his own miss converted into. Is also a guard coming from the GMSC that has a strong free throw shots made starting on the elimination round of this Batang Filipino Basketball League Cavite leg, especially on their first game on the opening ceremony. Fade away jumper, look at extra pass. Aldas fakes, drives, goes all the way.
Kamot kahit hindi makate. Kamot kahit hindi makate. Patay.
Look at that Euro step, entering it, make a bucket for the team of the Alamat ng Rosario. Here's Magalong, season opening, using the glass, added a point for his team. Here's Magalong, goes all the way. That is Binaya of the counter key. 9 to shoot. 5. Here's Rivera. Misfires.
Here's player number 27. Onto the fake pass, 10 seconds. Rivera, season opening, one-hander, and he makes. They are trying to create an execution of play. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Let's see what kind of play. Wide open, 3 says Salamero, but a knockdown from downtown para kay Salamero. From downtown 3. They can force out a triple to tie the game. Another triple again. Just hit it the side iron. And that is a foul for Rio. Actually, they can force out into a triple. They can force it out down a triple. Agasino with a long distance won't go. And our defending champion takes the win on this game up against Alamat ng Rosario. What a spectacular match under 6th division. And this is the Batang Pilipino Basketball League. Cavite League with the official score of 53.